Greetings and celebrations, everyone. I'm Krista and welcome to C-Rad. Today, guys, is all about the NuiMOs house. I'm going to be doing the kitchen next. That is what won our little poll. And I got this kitchen off of Amazon, so we're going to take it out and see if it works with the NuiMOs and the NuiMOs house. So yeah, stay tuned. And hey, if you love our videos and want to see more, please subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss seeing us in the future.
C-Rad.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome. Tigger and I hope you're doing totally rad today. I got Tigger with me because he is my little interior designer for the NuiMOs house. So I figured he'd be the best one to use to see if this thing's gonna work out that I got. But yes, the kitchen won our poll out of kitchen or bathroom on the rooms that you wanted me to do next. And I had actually gotten this kitchen a few weeks ago and I failed to take it out of the box to see if it worked. So yeah, we're gonna do that today and find out. So Tigger, you ready? Let's grab that kitchen and see how it looks. So this is the kitchen, modern kitchen. It's just a knockoff Barbie kitchen. And it comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So you've got a stove piece, a little counter and dishwasher, sink, little cabinets, and a refrigerator. Now when I saw the dimensions of this kitchen online compared to the dimensions of the room in my NuiMO house, I was like, oh yeah, that should fit in there pretty perfectly. And I didn't take into account that this is for 12-inch dolls, not for the little 6 to 7-inch dolls that the NuiMOs are. So yeah, let's take this out. I have a feeling this is going to be a little big, but yeah, let's take them out and see how they compare size-wise. So guys, here is the little sink and cabinets. It's got little glass cabinets above hand, and this is 56 pieces and comes with all kinds of little accessories, which I love and adore. But guys, I think it's gonna not work. It's gonna be a little too short. Poor Tigger there, yeah, he could do the dishes with his face, but he'd never be able to reach the counters up top. So yeah, I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with this right now. Let me show you the fridge too. This is the fridge. Standing Tigger next to the fridge. Yeah, I mean, that could work a little bit. He can barely reach the handles, but would never reach the things up top. So size-wise, to fit in my NuiMO house, I think it's going to be perfect, but for these guys, I'm not really sure. But let me take all the pieces out, put them in the NuiMO house, and kind of show you what it looks like, and show you what it looks like with him standing in there, and talk about a few ideas that kind of just popped into my head to hopefully help with this. So yeah, let's hop into the other room real quick and see how everything looks. So yeah, the pieces kind of fit in here. I'm gonna have to turn the refrigerator kind of on an angle, or whatever piece goes in that corner there. I haven't really decided if I'm keeping them, which order they're gonna go into, but I had an idea where maybe I could build a little stool to kind of put Tigger up on that so he can do the dishes or reach things. The only thing is they wouldn't be able to reach the cabinets, but maybe one could stand on the shoulders of the others. Guys, they're small NuiMOs living in a big world, so yeah, that might actually work out. I'm just not 100% sure yet. But this is just the basic idea of what the kitchen will be. So yeah, totally not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I don't know, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. So yeah, it's kind of a boo that the kitchen isn't exactly what I expected. I didn't think things through on it, but the only other kitchen stuff I could find besides Barbie stuff is stuff for a 1/12 scale dollhouse, and that's the little itty bitty small stuff. So I'm gonna do a little bit more research tonight, see if I can find it. If not, I bought this kitchen almost a month ago on Amazon, and it was $39.99, so it's a little expensive, but I have to decide by tomorrow if I'm returning it or not, because today was the last day and it said I could return it by tomorrow to get a refund on it. So $39.99 plus tax, that is a hefty chunk for something I may not use. But if I do keep it, here is the cabinets, and I will be painting it, you know, make everything kind of kitchen looking that's not all pink and Barbie, but they're really cute. Quality wise, yeah, it's kind of cheap. I could see if you use it a lot it breaking, but it comes with all these cute little foods and accessories, and I know I got a lot of mini brand stuff, but I like, you know, it's got little wine glasses, it's got a little lemonade pitcher and other little cocktail glasses, and everything is functional, and it comes with lighting too, so I'm still not sure if I'm gonna keep this and try to make it work the way I want to, or if I'm going to return it and start from scratch on the kitchen. Ouch. Yeah, that'll put me behind, guys, but isn't that the way it is with like real demo? And guys, we have real demo coming up in our house soon, so videos might be a little askew for a while, so my apologies in advance for that, but I will do my best to keep up with everything. But in the meantime, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of the NuiMO house stuff in the future, please subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss seeing us. And I guess there's only one thing left to say, right, Tigger? We'll see you later.